Let's learn animal names and her sound.
Dog,
Anjing.
cat,
Kucing.
mouse,
Tikus makan keju.
rabbit,
Kelinci.
squirrel,
Squirrel.
kangaroo,
Kanguru.
bear,
Beruang.
polar bear,
Polar bear. Beruang kutub.
polar bear, panda,
Panda.
panda, koala,
Koala.
raccoon,
Raccoon.
monkey, gorilla,
Gorilla.
chicken,
Ayam.
duck,
Bebek. Quack, quack, quack.
turkey,
Ayam kalkun.
pig,
Babi. Ngok, ngok, ngok.
cow,
Sapi. Ngok.
elephant,
Gajah.
giraffe,
Jerapah.
camel,
Unta. Unta hidup di gurun pasir.
frog,
Katak. Nek, 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 nek.
turtle,
Turtle. Wah.
snail,
Siput.
snake,
Ular. Seram sekali.
alligator,
Alligator. Seperti buaya.
chameleon,
Chameleon. Kadal.
eagle,
Burung elang.
parrot,
Parrot. Burung kakak tua.
pigeon,
Burung dara.
peacock,
Burung merak.
penguin,
Penguin.
seal,
Seal. Singa laut.
fish,
Ikan.
dolphin,
Lumba-lumba.
whale,
Paus.
shark, octopus,
Octopus.
starfish,
Bintang laut.
clownfish,
Ikan Nemo.
blowfish,
Ikan kembung. Yay! We finish it. Learn animals' name and their sounds. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you again on the next video.